Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I know you guys have missed me so much. I've missed you guys too so much. So yeah, and happy new one to you guys. Happy new one. So today's video is going to be a lip tutorial. So I'm going to teach you how to get fuller lips with makeup. So just stay tuned as we get right into it. So I'm not exactly sure of what color I want to use, but I know that I want something pinky, so that's why I have all of this. So I'm going to go with a pencil. I'm using a pencil from Beauty Line by Didi. It's a Nigerian brand. I'm going to outline, but just watch as I'm going to basically be outlining over my lips. I'm not going to focus inside, but I'm going to focus outside my lips. So just watch. So now that I have outlined my lips, I'm now going to go in with this gloss from, okay, so let's do this first. I'm going to go into this lipstick from 89 Cosmetics, a Nigerian brand. So I'm going to go into this from 89 Cosmetics. Just that much. Can you guys see the definition? My lips are full normally, but it's fuller. If you can notice it, it's fuller at this point. Yeah, so I just noticed an error. I just noticed that this area is fuller than this side, so I just want to correct that. And I'm going to go into this gloss from Newman Beauty, also a Nigerian brand. This is looking more like what I want. It's looking really like what I want. So I'm going to pop in my gloss, just because I cannot do without the gloss. I like the way I'm looking. There's a pink cardigan, there's pink in my lip, no, there's pink on my lip, there's pink in my eye, so pink. I don't know what I'm singing, you guys, but like I just look pink. Like there's a touch of pink everywhere, and I'm loving it. I'm loving every bit of it. So I'm popping lip gloss now. My lip gloss is even somehow pink, you guys, but it's actually transparent. But you'll see pink. Ooh. It's smoking out in here, baby. It's so hot in here. Like, I'm just going to, remove my scarf. Let me just get an earring, just to make everything calm. We have to, complete the look. So let me just get my earrings and I'll be right back. And voila, I'm back like I never left. So, are you guys loving my look? Can you see? Do you now know how to get fuller lips with just a pencil and a lipstick? It's as simple as that. Like, I'm really loving these eyes. Like, I didn't put in too much effort on the eyeshadow, but today I'm loving it. Like, but let's concentrate on the lips. That's what the video is about. So today's video is about my lips. Is good. So now, if you like to get fuller lips, this is how to get it done. I hope you guys love my look, cause I am loving this look today. Oh my god, this lipstick keeps disgracing me. It keeps getting in my teeth. So yeah, I'm just going to do my outro. Yes. So let's get it popping. Bye guys. Thanks for watching this video. Like, I really want to chit chat with you guys and talk, but I need ideas. I need something to talk about. So you guys should just let me know in the comments what you want my next videos to be about, and I would create them videos. Till I see you in my next video, you guys. Please watch my previous videos. Thank you. Bye.